I bought and tested these shock collars so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As a dog owner, I know the struggle of training a pup, and I wanted to find the best options out there. Let's dive into my top 5 picks that really stood out based on my real experiences. Product number 1, Jugbo Dog Shock Collar, 4,500 feet. Let me tell you about my experience with the Jugbo Dog Shock Collar. Right off the bat, I was impressed by the sheer range of 4,500 feet. I took my dog to a park, and while he played freely, I felt secure knowing I could correct any unwanted behavior from a distance. The collar has 4 training modes: beep, vibration, shock, and emergency shock mode. I found the beep and vibration modes to be quite effective for basic commands, while the shock mode was adjustable from 1 to 99 levels, perfect for fine-tuning how much stimulation my dog needed. It's reassuring to have a range, especially for different training situations. The collar's waterproof feature is a game changer. One rainy evening, my dog jumped into a puddle and I panicked for a second, but it worked perfectly. The collar dried off quickly and we resumed training without a hitch. The battery life is also impressive. I charged it once and it lasted over a month with regular use. However, I did notice that the collar can be a bit bulky for smaller breeds, so you might want to consider that if your dog is on the petite side. Overall, I recommend this collar for its effective training modes, long range, and durability. If you're looking for a reliable training tool that can adapt to different situations, this is it. Product number 2, Jugbo Dog Shock Collar 4200 FT is another Jugbo offering, the 4200 FT Dog Training Collar. I found this collar to be a fantastic alternative at a slightly lower price point. The 4200 FT range was still impressive, allowing my dog to roam freely while I maintained control. The 4 humane training modes, beep, vibration, safe shock, and shock boost gave me flexibility when addressing various behaviors. I appreciated the adjustable sensitivity. I could start low and increase if my dog didn't respond. It's also designed for all dog sizes, which is a plus. I could easily adjust the nylon strap to fit my pup snugly, and it didn't seem to bother him at all. Another highlight was its IPX7 waterproof rating, which allowed us to train in any weather without worry. The battery life was excellent too. After 2 hours of charging, it lasted for weeks. However, I did find that the remote could be a bit confusing at first, especially when switching between 2 collars. But once I got the hang of it, it was smooth sailing. If you want an effective, budget-friendly training collar, this one is worth considering. Product number 3, FAFA Frog Dog Bark Collar. The FAFA Frog Bark Collar was an interesting product for me as I wanted to tackle my dog's excessive barking. This collar features a unique smart barking recognition chip that only activates when my dog barks continuously. It was refreshing to see how it worked based on real vocal cord vibrations rather than being overly sensitive to every little noise. I tried it out at home and the adjustable sensitivity levels were a lifesaver. I could set it low when we were just hanging out, but increase it when we had guests over. The bark collar also has a protection mode, stopping activation after 6 continuous barks to prevent unnecessary punishment. This made me feel like I was using a tool for training rather than an instrument of punishment. The charging was quick and I found its waterproof design to be fantastic, allowing us to enjoy playtime at the beach without worry. However, I did notice that it was a bit on the heavier side for my smaller dog, but it fit well on my larger breed. If you're struggling with a barking issue and want something that's both humane and effective, this collar is a solid choice. Product number 4, Bosnick Dog Shock Collar, 3,300 feet. The Bosnick Dog Shock Collar was a pleasant surprise. The first thing I noticed was the impressive control range of 3,300 feet, making it perfect for training during outdoor adventures. The collar has 3 training modes: beep, vibration, and safe shock. The humane shock mode can be adjusted from 1 to 99 levels, allowing for precise control. I used it to reinforce commands, and my dog responded well. The IP67 waterproof feature was tested when we went on a rainy hike, and I was relieved to see it performed flawlessly.
Additionally, it has a security lock feature that prevents accidental shocks, which is a thoughtful touch. The battery life is another plus. It lasts for weeks after a quick charge, which is convenient for someone like me who's always on the go. However, the remote is a bit bulky, which can be cumbersome if you're jogging with your dog. Still, if you're looking for a reliable and well-rounded training tool that can handle outdoor activities, the Bosnick collar is worth considering.
Product number 5, Slope Hill Dog Training Collar. Lastly, we have the Slope Hill Dog Training Collar, which offers 7 training modes. I was intrigued by the variety, including options like low shock, high shock, and even a no shock mode. This gave me the flexibility to choose the right method for my dog based on the situation. The collar adjusted perfectly for my pup, and I appreciated the safety features, such as the keypad lock to prevent accidental shocks. The collar is fully waterproof, which has been crucial during our outdoor playtime. However, I did find that the shock levels might be too strong for some dogs, especially smaller breeds. During testing, I kept the shock level low, and my dog responded well without any distress. The remote is user-friendly, although I wish it had a slightly longer range. Nevertheless, for a dog owner looking for a versatile training collar that allows for gradual training adjustments, this collar is an excellent option. In conclusion, all 5 collars have their strengths and can cater to various training needs. Whether you're looking for range, multiple training modes, or waterproof features, there's something here for every dog owner. I hope my experiences help you make an informed decision, and may your training journey be successful.